What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we bought a spray gun, a Cig Weld or a Cig Weld, whatever you want to call it. It's a direct electrical spray gun with no compressor needed. We bought it for $10. You might ask, why did we buy it for so cheap? Because it's cracked. So we're gonna fix it in this video, or try to at least. So what we're gonna use is the XDLite modified acrylic adhesive, the blue stuff, Chinese resin. I've used it before. It's fair enough, good at least, so it will get the job done. So here today is the Arnold Cig or Cig Weld spray gun. Here you are. Just gonna remove the nozzle or the tip of the gun to make more room. We're gonna use some wax and grease remover on the pocket knife and on the cracks, so the two-part adhesive get bond. But here we're gonna mix the JB Weld, two parts, on this piece of paper. It's good enough. Make sure you have the same amount of each type. You might ask, why is he using a pocket knife to apply the adhesive? Well, it's easier to use the edge and the wedge of the knife. Now, a mistake I made at the first time is that I used too much, and I prolonged the mixing time just to get it right, which backfired on us later. So guys, if you're gonna do this, use small increments at a time. Small amounts will get the job done, step by step. Don't mix up a whole bunch for a couple of cracks where it will dry and cure before you could even apply it. As you can see, a pocket knife is a perfect tool for this job because the wedge on the knife and the angle gives you the advantage of pushing the resin deep down inside the crack. As you can see, this is the chunk of the epoxy that has dried before I could even apply it, as I told you before. As you can see, I'm using way less adhesive this time, just so a man can benefit from every cent he paid on this stuff. And also, maybe to prevent chemical wastes. So far we have applied 3 coats, which is good enough to seal those cracks, and it's already dry to the touch, as you can see. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more videos featuring the Cig Weld or the Cig Weld spray gun easy spray, where we will be spraying on something or some car. Peace out.